my Earth task 12.2, in which we have to create a container using our Ansible playbook, and hence we have to dynamically add the IP of the Docker container in our inventory file so that we can run some commands on the top of container. So this is our task. So in this task I have used a customized image in which initially only SSH service is running, so we don't need to install some other packages to run SSH and use port number 22. So I've used the customized image. So this is our directory. In this I have the Ansible config file, you can see. So this is my inventory file, in which nothing special, only I specified the inventory file and host key checking false and ask pass false, and I make the user my sudo root user, and root user can use the sudo powers. So this is all, and this is my cat inventory. So I'm removing this. So only I'm having this part only. This is my manage node2, but I still don't, there is no use of this. As I'm using on the localhost, so no need of web2. So I'm just return it, and the other file is the task and docker. This is the file I've used in my Earth task 10, in which we have to create a container using playbook. So this I just have to copy this. So I'm not using this because I've already copied the data of this file into my docker.yml. So let's run our playbook. .yml. Some issues there. So some issues there. So let me open. So only this yum has to shift this side. So this is so now playbook is running. So till then we can see our this file web docker. So this will install packages on the container. So host is my docker. This file, the docker host will be updated from the previous file we have run. And gather facts now. I'm installing the httpd package and starting the service of httpd, and hence and creating an HTML file in this www.html, and this is the line I'm writing in this file. So when we will curl this, we will see the output. So everything has been done, we can see. This is the my container IP. We can see docker ps-a. So this is my container running, having this image name, and this is the container name. So now we can see that our inventory file has also been updated. So this is my container IP. Earlier this line was not there, but when we have run the playbook, this line has arrived in this. So let's run the playbook. Actually some SSH key has been changed, so let me change this. So actually some key has been changed in this location, so we have to remove that key which has been pasted. So by going in this file I have removed that record, and then we can see our playbook is running. My httpd package is being installed. Let me show you file is this. So this is the entry which has been created, and sometimes the key is wrong, So we have to remove this key, and again this key generates and this key is working now. So my HTTP package is running. We have to wait for a while. So our HTTP package has been installed. The Python file, this package has been installed. And, everything has been changed. So let me use curl command, curl 172 inspect. So this was the IP and verify. So we can curl. So this was the line we have written. This. So I have exposed the port also, so we can verify from there also. Curl 192.168. This is my localhost IP. 542629 was the port number I have given. So again I have exposed the port, and from there also my web page can be viewed. So this was the task given to us. So one thing more, we can see the image name. So I have used this image. This is the customized image in which SSD service is already running, so we don't have to go inside the container and run the service. So that was all.